welcome back to Beauty with Shay, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get my long sleek braided ponytail. Today I'm starting on like an old silk press, and we're just going to get right into it.
So first I'm going to start by perfecting my part. I love a deep side part. And then I'm going to go ahead and part a section at the top of my hair and section that off, and that will be for my swoop. Then I'm going to take some Murray's beeswax and I'm going to part sections in my hair and apply the beeswax in between those sections. And once I'm done that, I'm going to go ahead and comb that through to get it really smooth and flat. I repeat this step all over my head, and then now I'm just going to smooth it all down and kind of start to mold that first ponytail. Now I'm taking my Got2b Free Spray and I'm going to apply that to the section that's going in the ponytail to get it nice and firm and to hold it in place. So I'm just showing you guys what the back looks like once it's in a ponytail. And now I'm going to start on this top section. I'm going to comb it through, and I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did with the sides. I'm going to take that Murray's beeswax and put it in between the little sections that I part off, and then I'm going to smooth that out and start to mold my swoop how I want it to go. I'm going to take that free spray again and just spray that all over the swoop part so that that can be held in place as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and put another ponytail holder over that as well. So now to get these edges together, I'm going in with the Style Factor Edge Booster. This is extra strength and a moisture-rich pomade. It's for thick and coarse hair, and I really love this edge control. It always snatches my edges, and literally it lasts all day for me. So now I'm just going to put on my scarf to let my edges and everything set in place. And then I'm going to go ahead and get into the braided ponytail. Okay, so the hair I got from my local beauty supply store, it's Made Beauty Africana. It's pre-stretched and it comes in a 2-pack. Y'all, this hair came with this little scrunchy thing, and they never come with this. It's always like those little rubber bands, and that's like really cute. All right, so I'm taking the hair and I'm going to show you from the back. I'm going to just size it up with my ponytail, like from the middle of the hair, and then I'm going to have the rest of it flipped over my head, if that makes sense. Then I'm just going to rubber band that half part with my ponytail, and then once I'm done that, I'm going to go ahead and flip the other part over, so now it sits on top of my ponytail. Now I'm going to take a small piece of the braiding hair and I'm going to comb it and get it smooth. That's the piece that I'm going to use to wrap around my ponytail holder so that it looks pretty natural. I'm going to take that free spray and spray on there and just start to wrap that around the ponytail. So now I'm going to split the hair in 3 and I'm going to start to do a regular braid. I like to add pieces of the braiding hair in as I braid for thickness and for length. So now I'll just flip the hair to the side in the front so it'll be easier for me to continue to braid it all the way down. And I'm still adding hair in as I go because I want it really long and I also want it to be nice and thick. So once I get close to the end of the braid, I don't braid it all the way down. I stop it a little ways and then I put a rubber band around it.
All right, girl, we have our finished sleek braided ponytail. It's really long. Let me see if I can turn around so you can see the back. That is the back. Okay, I love to do this style whenever my silk press is getting old and I don't want to wash my hair yet, so I just go ahead and sleek this thing down, honey, and do this nice braided ponytail. It was pretty easy to do, so I hope you all enjoyed. Stay tuned for my next videos. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you'll know when my next video is up, and I'll see you guys next time.